Do you struggle to make parathas? Do they dry out or turn hard? Let me show you my way to make these super tasty, delicious and nutritious parathas that are easy to make and stay soft. These are perfect for meal preps because you can make them ahead of time and enjoy them throughout the week. Hi everyone, welcome back to Soulful Cooking by Mom. Today I'm sharing my recipe for high-protein broccoli, peas and tofu parathas. They're perfect for both kids and adults alike. You'll find the full recipe and nutrition info in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. My older daughter is super picky when it comes to eating her veggies. She absolutely hates them in their natural form but loves parathas, especially with a side of Greek yogurt. As a nutrition-conscious mom, I have to get creative to sneak those veggies into her tiny belly. These veggie-packed parathas are my go-to recipe. I make them in so many variations every week. Plus, I love that I can prepare the dough in advance and whip these up in just a few minutes when needed. For this recipe, I'm using steamed broccoli and peas for fiber and vitamins, half a block of tofu for a protein boost, a mix of spices to enhance the flavor, sesame seeds and flaxseed powder which are great for digestion and help keep the parathas soft. I also like to mix my whole wheat flour with some gluten-free flour for added nutrition and texture. Today I'm using half a cup of chickpea flour. Some days I switch it up with millet or rice flour. Instead of adding water, I mix the flour directly into the vegetable tofu paste. This uses the natural moisture from the veggies to form the dough and avoids needing extra oil to keep it soft. Simple, right? Now let's talk about the tricky part, rolling and layering the parathas. This can feel intimidating at first, but trust me, with practice it becomes easy. Here's what I do. Roll a ball of dough into a thin circle. Apply a little ghee or avocado oil to the surface. Fold it to create layers. Today I'm making a square shape because my little one wants to have the square shape today. Roll it out again to even thickness. Remember to roll and turn the dough like I'm doing here to make sure it's evenly thick on all sides. When it comes to cooking, the temperature of the pan is key. Make sure your pan is hot but not burning. Medium-high heat works best. Place the paratha on the pan. Once it changes color, flip it. Add a little ghee, flip again, and use gentle pressure with the spatula to cook it evenly. Repeat this process adding ghee as needed until it turns beautifully golden brown. And if you like crispy parathas like me, cook it for a little longer with an extra touch of ghee. But don't worry, these parathas will stay soft on the inside because of the moisture from the veggies and flax seeds. And there you have it. Simple, easy to make, nutrition-packed parathas. These are so versatile and perfect for busy mornings, evenings, or even as part of your meal prep. They're soft, flavorful, and full of protein, making them a great option for both kids and adults. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to share how I turn these parathas into fun finger foods for kids' lunchboxes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Soulful Cooking for more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time.